Jake, you love that hat, huh? Is it time for your night-night?
No.
I think it is. You want to leave your turkey hat here?
No.
You don't? You want to wear your turkey hat to bed? Can you get it on there straight? Can you say gobble gobble? Gobble gobble. Good. Gobble gobble. I think some of your feathers have gotten bent. You love that hat, huh? Gobble gobble. Gobble gobble. You're so funny. Can you say gobble gobble? Gobble gobble. Yeah, close enough, huh? See, I don't know what G's are. But this is our favorite new hat. We're not taking it off for nothing. Can I fix your feather up here? Come here, Cheese. There you go. Now we got it fixed. Is that your Thanksgiving hat? Are you going to wear that for Grammy on Monday? Uh-huh. She'll love it. Look at that turkey. Did you make that hat yourself?
No.
You didn't? I thought Jake made that hat. Did you make that hat? Are you giving me your shy look? Because you're far from shy right now, son. Can you say, bye, Dada?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Dada.
Bye-bye.
Good. Good, Jake. Say, see you later.
See.
Yeah, you're doing good. Dad, this is our favorite hat. We're not taking it off for nothing. I just wanted you to see it in person. Here's the turkey shot of it from the side. You don't hit Maggie. You be nice to Maggie. Here's a pug. And another pug. And a Jake with a turkey hat on. Bye, babe.